of Meghalaya, which all we know that yesterday one of our player he passed away on the tragic incident in Lyndoh district. So I would like to read out this condolence message. With profound grief and sorrow, I deeply mourn the sad and sudden demise of late Dina Dayalan Biswa of Tamil Nadu, who met with a tragic road accident at Shangbangla in Lyndoh district on Sunday, the 17th April 2022 at around 1:30 on his way to Shillong to participate in the 83rd Senior National and Interstate Championship scheduled to be held at Sai Campus Nehru, Shillong, Meghalaya from 18th to 25th April 2022. At such a young age, he was a promising Indian table tennis player, and his passing away is not only a loss to his parents, family members, relatives and friends, but also a great loss for the sporting fraternity in our country. His contributions to table tennis would always be remembered and cherished. In this moment of grief, I, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, with heavy heart, convey our sincere and heartfelt condolence to the parents and all the family members of the departed soul. I pray
faith that they've given us, that they've put on us, and allowing us to organize this. I would like to also thank Nehu and the different organizations who have allowed us to use their kind of problems. I hope you will get time to enjoy the lush greenery of Meghalaya and to get acquainted with the lifestyle and world vision of our people. You may pay a visit. We have been shaken by heavy rains, as today, yesterday also, you must have experienced, and there are lightnings and thunder and accompanied by... We are yet to ensure the participation of players from the lower income families. There may be very talented players in villages, in the rural areas, but financial difficulties, lack of awareness or absence of good training or a platform where they can display their talent may be preventing them from coming forward to play for this game. However, with such events happening in the state, it will be encouraged that the district sports association in our states has to put on efforts to reach to the rural youth. I am sure that most of the participants here who are in this hall today comes or hails from the rural areas of your respective states. I am very sure about it. So therefore, the platform where we have to open up in the rural areas is the need of the hour for all of us. I request the state government, to the Honourable Minister, to stress on how we open up the door for the rural youth. I also welcome all the participants of this tournament and wish all of them success. I would like to tell them that the participation in any game should not be limited to the security of an admission or a job. We must love the game, and we are playing and take the spirit of the game to more places and people. If some of you
could develop your skills as coaches. It will be very useful in promoting the game in our smaller towns and villages of your respective states. It will also have place in Shambangla about the accident which took place where one of the participants from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vishwa Dayalan, who's just an 18-year-old boy and who is also a very promising player. And where his car met with an accident with another truck and where he has, at this very young age. I also would like to take part with others in condoling my deepest condolences to all the family members of Mr. Vishwa, and also my condolences to the entire team from Tamil Nadu. Let me at the outset appreciate the efforts of the State Table Tennis Association for hosting this national level tournament in Shillong. I am told that this is the second national tournament which is being held in Shillong within the northeastern states. And I'm sure that all of you know well about Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, our state, and well you are here in this state, which I'm sure that most of you must be the first time in this place. I am informed that so far the table tennis association has organized 2 national level, as I have said just now, and they have also organized 2 international level table tennis also in Shillong by ensuring maximum participation. I believe that it was the success conduct of these past tournaments which prompted the Table Tennis Association of India to entrust the conduct of this tournament with the state association. I am really proud to see that again the Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs and his department are gearing up the different activities and has really performed to the mark where the all India level different associations has seen that these success stories of different tournaments have really put faith on them to entrust such kind of tournaments. Develop a genuine interest in it, and interest would be developed only when the game become rewarding in some way or the other. Those who select cricket or football as their profession get better financial security and attention than those who play the national game like hockey and others. I strongly believe that the commercialization of popular games has resulted in many other useful games being sidelined.
Aduh, hampir stiker.
Thank you.